This is gonna be a really quick unboxing of the Realme buds, and I wanted a wireless headset. I have a Bluetooth headset that went bad, so I thought I'll buy something new. So my struggles got me here. So if you're new to the channel, I only buy things that I like, and this is not a review unit or anything. I've just bought it on my own. If I like a certain thing and then I post a review, that's how it is. It's just the way it is. So I like how they've done the unboxing. See, so you have some, I believe, some reading material and the USB stick, extra foam tips, everything in this box. And as you can see, I've got the greens. The color that is selected is green, so that's fine. So how it works is the entire box just slides out. So this is the earbuds, as you can see. I like the color. The feel is really premium. This is all metal, it seems. So you have pull tabs. So I really like how they have put the unboxing experience. It feels like a premium headset unboxing. So kudos to Realme for that. So I'll use this for the next few days, and I'll see how it performs, and I'll be posting a review about this. Stay tuned to the channel for that, and I'll be posting more about these headsets. I like the color, which the green, it kind of like looks like a turquoise in some colors. So it's really good. I really like the color, and I'll be using this for the next few days, and I'll give you a full review of the same.